Here we have a 71 plate Ford Transit Custom 300 Limited Eco Blue. Now this vehicle comes with the Moon Dust silver exterior paintwork. We do have the 18-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black and all in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the colour coded door handles. If we take a look inside the back, you can see we have plenty of space inside of here, the wooden panelling. Closing that back up, and then if we make our way around to the front of the vehicle, you'll find we have the LED daytime running headlights. If these lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. We do have the Ford front grille, glass black front splitter as well, really nice looking front end on this vehicle. Coming around to the driver's side, you'll then find we have the black trim around the windows. We do also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Got the rear spoiler as well on the roof just there. Taking a look at the seats then, so inside of here you find we have the 3 seats, cloth interior. We do have the foldable armrest here and also here as well. Both the outer seats are heated. There's a look at them seats just there. We then have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside. You'll find we have the dashboard in front of us, digital screen in the centre. Put a foot on the brake and then turn the vehicle on. You'll find we have the cruise control and speed meter buttons here on the left, along with the volume buttons as well. Dashboard free from any warning lights. You can see we also have the digital speedometer just there in the centre. We then have the main infotainment screen. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. You can see currently showing the radio stations. Go on to sources and you find the Bluetooth audio along with the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We have the mobile apps just there. Onto settings, you'll find even further options which you can scroll through. You'll find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Further down from there you find the climate control. We have the ice cold air conditioning and we also have heated seats either side, all working as they should do, as you can see. We then have a 12-volt connectivity and a USB port, along with having another one up here as well. Automatic gearbox, and if you put the car into reverse, you'll find the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park, we have the manual handbrake just down here. We also have the drive mode button here, where you can see we have the normal drive mode or the eco. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.